Yeah, let me know when your Xbox can do this, boys. This is just a 720p recorder from my cell phone. Benchmarking my new graphics card. Oh, if you've seen it in person. It's tough, real tough. See if I can get in on some of that. With shadows, tessellation, HDR lighting. There's high-res textures right there. I mean, really tough, really grainy, but that's what you get with a cell phone video. See GHZ Core do that. So underwater graphics test. Check this joint out. Filthy fucking bastards. Come on, boy. Yeah. This is extreme setting in 3D Mark 11. 950 megahertz. GTX580. MSI Lightning Extreme Edition. Way overclocked. 1.1 volt core voltage. I was averaging about 20 frames per second in that segment. These are really extreme graphic levels. Everything's on maxed. Like I said, keep in mind my camera on my cell phone is going to affect the quality of this. So imagine what it looks like in person running at 1920 by 1200. I believe the first three were just demo loops. Get everything warmed up. Now you get to see the beginning of that jungle level. Cell phone camera ain't the best, but it holds its own. Oh, the nighttime one, nice. It says this test features tessellation on the pillars, statues, and some of the vegetation, volumetric lighting, and multiple light sources with several casting shadows. Post-processing. Oh, I didn't catch it in time. See what they mean by volumetric. Shadows and lighting and everything. Wow, this looks gorgeous in person. Like, wow. I can't ever imagine a game looking like this. This is just one graphics card. Now physics. The rest of these tests aren't going to be appealing. They're just going to test the CPU and physics and stuff, which I'm really not interested in. I mean, all that stuff, especially the different technologies and everything. You got Nvidia who has PhysX, you can dedicate a card to. ATI doesn't, but most games use their own engine specific physics engine. So also a benchmark is good for sheer power, like, you know, to compute raw power, to put a number on the system's performance. But in real world, basically every game depends on how well it is optimized and how good the drivers for each graphics manufacturer are for each specific game. So scalability is a huge factor, both on the video game developers end and the graphics manufacturers end. So that looks to be about it. Oh no. CPU test or something, I don't know. Or more physics. Frames per second, it's about like 9 point something, coming up to 10 now. That's average for this kind of test. This isn't like one of those tests where I expect large numbers from. Here goes my skull. Don't mind my wallpaper, it's just random shit. $24.93 on Extreme. Okay, and here you have my specs. Focus on there. GeForce GTX580. Like I said, 950. I'll show you the clock speeds right now in MSI Afterburner. 950. 950 megahertz right there. Try to focus. 950 megahertz core, 1900 shader clock, 2126 on the memory clock. I bumped the fan speed up to 100. And I'm using beta drivers. I'm not even using WHQL certified drivers, beta drivers, and the voltage is on 1.1, which I could probably push this to a gigahertz. So my average frames per second for each test on Extreme with this overclock. I'm not sure if the overclock threw it off. Oh, here we go. My graphics driver is not approved, so it won't be shown for that reason in the results. $24.93. Similar results. I'm all the way over here. I have the only one in the 2500 category. And, well, yeah, $24.93. So, there's about 2 other people, I guess. Okay, let me add to compare. I gotta register that actually. Hold on 1 second. I'll update.